How to delete your TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. If you're thinking about deleting your TikTok account but aren't sure how to do it, I've got you covered. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to permanently delete your TikTok account. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right. A pop-up will open and select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down and tap Account. Here, you'll see an option called Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on it. You'll now see two options, Deactivate or Delete Account permanently. If you just want a break, you can choose Deactivate. But if you want to completely remove your account, select Delete Account. TikTok might ask you why you're leaving. Pick any reason or skip this step. Then confirm your identity with a password or verification code. Finally, tap Delete one last time. Remember, TikTok keeps your data for 30 days in case you change your mind. If you log back in within this time, your account will be restored. But after 30 days, it's gone for good. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now deleted. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.